Hello, and welcome to Waiver Consulting Group. This guide outlines how to become a home modification services provider in Nebraska, enhancing accessibility and safety through customized home modifications. These vital services are authorized under Nebraska's Medicaid home and community-based services. Waivers HCBS, including the aged and disabled, traumatic brain injury TBI, developmental disabilities DD, and children with disabilities. The Nebraska Department of Health and Human Services, DPHHS, administers funding, with its Medicaid and Long-Term Care Division overseeing quality and compliance, and Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, providing federal oversight. To become a provider, apply through the Nebraska Medicaid Provider Enrollment Portal. Submit required documentation, like contractor licenses and policy manuals, and undergo a program readiness review for approval and Medicaid enrollment. Waiver Consulting Group offers comprehensive support to help you launch compliant home modification services across Nebraska. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started.